So SHOT Show 2025, wandered over to the Winchester booth. I'm warranty for Winchester. Wanted to look at their new line. And while we're standing here looking at things, this gentleman, he's standing here looking, he's like, I love lever actions. And he's like, Ken. I'm like, yes. He's like, I'm a student. So Jason.
Yes.
Awesome.
It's a pleasure to meet you, first of all.
Give me feedback.
I got to tell you, so I signed up for the Master Gunsmith program, and I worked my way through the intro class and the pistol smithing class, but then I opened my shop because I got the ultrasonic cleaner with the package, and I started just doing like detail cleanings, but now I'm so overwhelmed that I'm like, I got to find time to continue working on the classes, but I will tell you that the classes are incredible. Like, I got a lot of people say, oh, just watch YouTube. It's not the same. Like, I have learned so much. It has given me so much confidence. It's just incredible.
I'm glad we bumped into each other.
Yeah, I'm glad I bumped into you. I feel like I'm meeting a movie star. This is incredible.
No.
Yeah, it's just been, I've learned so much from you guys, and the Gunsmithing Club of America has been such an amazing resource. You know, anytime I have a question, I go there, I say, hey, I have a customer who's asking about this, and there's like 10 professional, like master gunsmiths are like, well, here's what I do. Here's what I do. It's just, the whole package is just incredible, and I can't thank you enough.
Awesome.
You made my dream a reality. Really.
Awesome.
It did.